Welcome to the Caravan Camping and Motorhome Show 2023. We're here hours before opening for a very unique bird's eye view of the show. The Motorhome and Caravan Show returns to the NEC in Birmingham from the 17th to the 22nd of October 2023. Visit the Motorhome MMATT podcast on stand 9.32B in the entrance to Hall 9 to save money on your ticket. Use the discount code MMATT at the checkout. That's MMATT. Visit www.mcshow.co.uk for more details. Children 15 years and under go free, but do still require a ticket, and car parking is included in the ticket price. I'll see you there.